Imagine a world where your every thought, every action, every waking moment is dominated by your goals and ambitions. A world where distractions are simply that, distractions, easily dismissed and forgotten. Welcome, my friends, to the world of focus and discipline, a world where success isn't just a dream, but a reality. Now, you might be wondering, how do you get there? How do you train your mind to resist the allure of immediate gratification and instead focus on the long term? The answer, in part, lies in desexualizing your brain. This isn't about eliminating desire, but about mastering it. It's about reclaiming control from the clutches of instant gratification and redirecting it towards your goals. The first step on this journey is to limit the consumption of porn. Excessive use has been linked to a decrease in focus and an increase in anxiety and depression. So consider cutting back or even quitting altogether. Next, practice delayed gratification. The world is full of quick and easy dopamine hits, from social media to junk food. But true fulfillment comes from striving towards long-term goals, not from momentary pleasures. Find your purpose. A clear goal gives you direction, motivation, and a reason to resist distractions. It becomes the compass that guides your every decision. Minimize exposure to soft porn. Be mindful of the suggestive content that permeates social media and other platforms. Unfollow accounts that trigger unnecessary temptations. Focus inward. The world outside can be a sensory overload, hijacking your dopamine system. Learn to find contentment in the quiet accomplishment of hard work and the pursuit of your goals. Finally, build yourself first. Relationships are important, but personal development comes first. Invest in your skills, in your knowledge, and in becoming the best version of yourself. High-quality relationships will naturally follow as you grow. Remember, consistent effort is key. By taking control of your focus and prioritizing your goals, you can achieve lasting success and fulfillment. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Welcome to the world of focus and discipline. Welcome to your future.